Welcome to the EdbMails EDB to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails EDB to Live Exchange Migration tool offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for migrating mailboxes from offline EDB files directly to live Exchange servers. The software is designed for seamless migrations, making it an ideal choice for users looking to recover and migrate data from corrupt, damaged, dismounted EDB files, or mailboxes impacted by dirty shutdowns, jet errors, or other issues, without relying on Exchange services or log files. EdbMails allows you to preview all mailbox items from your offline EDB file, select specific mailboxes for migration, and apply advanced filters to customize the migration process. The software supports offline EDB files from all Exchange server versions, and its intuitive interface ensures a secure, direct migration to live Exchange servers. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to recover offline EDB and migrate EDB to live Exchange server.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the EDB to PST, EDB to Office 365, EDB to Exchange, EDB Public Folder option.
Click Let's Go.
Click Browse for EDB. Select the EDB file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to migrate. Select Migrate to Live Exchange. Select the required connection options. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue.
Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save. Click Continue.
Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free EDB to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.